Travel insurance often feels like just another cost tacked onto a trip. But what if it could actually save money, hassle, and stress? Most travelers don't realize there are smart tricks and lesser-known hacks hidden inside travel insurance policies that could change the way they protect themselves on the road. Whether you're flying across continents or hopping on local buses, knowing these hacks helps keep your travel budget safe and your plans flexible. From what transport options are covered to how to handle claims efficiently, these tips will give you an edge. Let's count down the top 10 hidden travel insurance hacks you won't hear from the usual sources. 10. Check if your policy covers local transport. One of the biggest surprises is that many standard travel insurance plans only cover commercial flights and some public transportation like trains or buses. But if your trip involves local modes of transport, like rented scooters, taxis, ferries, or rideshares, you could be left unprotected if an accident or delay happens. For example, in many budget travel destinations, scooters and motorbikes are popular but risky ways to get around. Without explicit coverage for these, any medical bills or damages won't be covered by your insurance. Also, if you miss a connecting flight because your taxi was late, some policies won't reimburse you unless that transport was specifically covered. So, when buying travel insurance, always check the fine print about what kinds of transportation are included. If your itinerary includes buses, boats, or scooters, look for plans that cover these. It's a smart way to avoid surprise expenses and keep your trip smooth. 9. Use credit cards that include travel insurance. Many people don't realize their credit cards might already provide travel insurance when you buy your tickets with them. This is a handy way to avoid paying extra for a separate policy, especially if you're traveling on a budget. Credit card travel insurance typically covers things like trip cancellations, delays, and lost baggage, but coverage levels vary widely. Before you buy a separate policy, check if your card offers this protection and understand the rules. Usually, you need to pay for the entire ticket or trip using that card to qualify. Also, some cards only cover travel within certain regions or up to a certain amount. Using credit card insurance can save money, but don't assume it covers everything. It's best used as a backup or for basic coverage, especially if you're taking shorter or simpler trips. 8. Opt for cancel for any reason coverage when flexibility is key. Standard travel insurance often only reimburses cancellations caused by specific issues, like illness or natural disasters. However, unexpected changes like work emergencies or simply changing your mind are usually not covered. That's where cancel for any reason, or CFAR coverage comes in. It's an optional upgrade that allows you to cancel your trip for any reason at all and still get a partial refund, typically up to 75% of your prepaid costs. This option costs more but gives peace of mind if your plans might change or if you want more control. It's especially useful for trips booked far in advance or during uncertain times. Just remember, you often need to purchase CFAR within a short window after your initial trip payment. So plan ahead. 7. Document everything right away if something goes wrong. If you experience any delays, lost luggage, accidents, or medical emergencies, immediate documentation can make or break your insurance claim. Take photos of damaged luggage, keep receipts for extra expenses, and get official reports if possible. For instance, if a flight is delayed, get the airline's official delay notice or confirmation. If your luggage is lost or damaged, file a report with the airline and keep a copy. For medical emergencies, collect hospital or doctor bills and detailed medical reports. Having clear, organized evidence speeds up claim processing and reduces stress later. Many claims fail or get delayed because travelers don't provide enough proof or wait too long. Keep a dedicated folder on your phone or cloud storage for these documents during your trip. 6. Know your policy's emergency assistance services. Many travel insurance plans offer 24/7 emergency assistance hotlines that can help you find medical care, arrange emergency transport, or help with lost passports. These services are often included for free but overlooked. Before traveling, save your insurer's emergency phone number and know how to use the service. If you get sick or face trouble, calling them early can help direct you to trusted clinics or hospitals and sometimes avoid out-of-pocket expenses. Some assistance services also offer multilingual support, which is great when traveling in countries where you don't speak the language. Using these services can save money and keep your trip on track, especially in unexpected situations. 5. Buy insurance based on your daily travel flow. If your trip involves multiple stops or different activities each day, choose insurance that fits your travel flow. Some policies limit coverage to a single location or specific dates. If you plan to move around a lot, check that your insurance covers the entire travel period and all destinations. For example, backpackers hopping between cities or countries often miss that their coverage might only apply to the first country or only the main arrival date. Similarly, if you do activities like hiking one day and scuba diving the next, your policy should cover all these. This is also important if you're doing multi-day cruises, trains, or bus tours. If your plan excludes these, you could face uncovered risks. So map your trip's daily flow carefully before buying insurance. 4. Don't overpay for coverage you don't need. Some travelers buy travel insurance packages loaded with extras they won't use, which drives up costs unnecessarily. Before choosing a plan, think about what risks are relevant for your trip. If you're traveling within your own country or a neighboring one, you may not need extensive medical evacuation coverage. On the other hand, if your health insurance already covers international emergencies, you might skip duplicate medical coverage. Also, if you're traveling without expensive gear or valuables, you might not need high coverage for lost belongings. Focus on the most important protections based on your itinerary, budget, and personal risk tolerance. Many comparison sites let you customize coverage levels so you only pay for what's useful, which is a great way to stay budget-friendly. 3. Bundle travel insurance with other travel services. Some insurance companies offer discounts or bundles if you buy insurance together with other travel services, like flights, hotels, or car rentals. This can lower your overall costs compared to buying each service separately. For example, some airlines and travel agencies offer travel insurance add-ons at checkout that are cheaper than standalone policies. Just be sure to compare what these bundled plans cover versus what you might get buying insurance on your own. Also, some car rental companies include basic insurance if you rent a car through them, which may cover minor accidents or theft. Combining services can simplify claims and reduce your total spend. Always weigh the benefits carefully, but bundling can be a great money-saving hack. 2. Understand how delays and missed connections are covered. Transport delays are a huge headache for travelers. Flights get canceled, buses break down, or trains run late. But not all travel insurance policies cover these delays equally. Some policies only cover delays beyond a certain time, like 6 or 12 hours, and may require proof that you bought a non-refundable ticket to qualify for reimbursement. Others cover expenses like meals, hotel stays, or alternative transport if your trip is disrupted by delay. Knowing exactly what your policy covers means you can plan your daily travel flow better and avoid losing money on missed flights or extra nights. If your travel involves tight connections or multiple modes of transport, look for insurance with good delay and missed connection coverage. It helps you avoid surprise costs and gives peace of mind. 1. Use travel insurance to protect your budget, not just your health. Finally, here's the most important hidden hack. Travel insurance isn't only about emergency medical bills. It's also about protecting your entire trip budget from unexpected events. Imagine losing hundreds or thousands of dollars because your trip was canceled, your luggage lost, or a delayed flight caused missed tours. Travel insurance helps cover those costs and keeps your daily travel budget safe. By using the insurance strategically, knowing what transport is covered, documenting claims promptly, and choosing coverage based on your trip flow, you avoid costly surprises. This way, you don't just protect your health, you protect your wallet and the whole travel experience. Treat insurance as a tool to manage your travel finances smartly, and you'll get way more value than just medical coverage. There you have it, 10 hidden travel insurance hacks that can make a real difference on your next trip. Travel insurance doesn't have to be confusing or expensive if you know what to look for. From covering the right transport to using credit card benefits, each tip here helps protect your budget and keeps your travel plans flexible. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like this video and share it with friends who love to travel smart. And for more travel advice that keeps your trips safe and affordable, Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out. Safe travels and smart planning.